Alright guys, so this is it. This is where it all started. Now I'll come to an end. This is going to be my last vlog, so pretty much time to say goodbye. Obviously you guys know I'm not going anywhere in it. So guys, this is my last video for 2020. It's 27th of December now, and I'm just going to do a recap of what I've done throughout the year. Well, first of all, the soundtrack what is going to play in the background is from a homeless guy in London. His name is George. Him and his missus was playing in the street of London, and I think the song was beautifully done. So I'm just going to chuck that on with a lot of overview videos, recap of what I've been through. And I think, as I said guys, 2020 it was absolutely like a roller coaster, without a doubt. I think it made me open my eyes a lot, you know. It was challenging also because to get content, to create content for us, it was absolutely like, it was a struggle, without a doubt. I try my best, I do my best to create content for you guys and girls as well to watch it. And I've seen the comments also as well, you know what I mean? I'm very grateful, I'm thankful also as well for all my subscribers. For everyone sit there watch my videos as well, you know what I mean, giving the thumbs up. And for all you guys who will give me thumbs on as well. I just want to say a big thank you. Hope you guys have a good Christmas also. But yeah, you know what I mean? I think what I've started YouTube wise, I think it's really beneficial for the British Army, you know, because you make a lot of people tune in and see other people do things and be like, you know what, yo, that's not the perception what they have of the British Army. I think I create a different drive, a different view. You know, people would normally look and watch what soldiers do and stuff like that. So I think I'll create something different. Well guys, I just want to keep it short and sweet guys, you know what I mean? And I just want to say, first of all, I just want to recap again, massive thank you guys for all my subscribers, you know what I mean? My subscribers growing, so I just want to say a big thank you guys. And keep watching my video guys, they're big and better to come next year. Hopefully we all good to go next year and there's not no hiccups along the way. And trust me, I just want to take this to another level. I'm thinking, you know what I mean? Like, I got so much things planned, but it's very hard when you try to do things and then stumbling block is in the way, you know? And not just the COVID, but other people. But overall guys, you know what I mean, I think I'm onto something, and just keep watching me. It's gonna get bigger and better, and next year, trust me, you're gonna see loads more YouTubers start popping up, you know what I mean, because everyone is taking a piece out of the Fabziy page, you know what I mean, which I don't mind, you know what I mean, I like that because I don't want someone to sit down and watch me alone. I want to watch different vloggers as well, so that's beautiful to see. So guys, if by all means, if you want to take something from my book, you know what I mean, and crack on and do it. No one really doing what I'm doing, you know what I mean, and to be honest, you know, and you can quote me on that one, to the extent what I'm doing it in the British Army. You know, I would say I'm the first one started vlogging like this, you know, and now we got little YouTubers start popping up, which is beautiful. It's good to see, you know what I mean, and it's good to see also guys taking a little bit from my blueprint what I've created. So I challenge you guys, you know what I mean, if you think vlogging is easy, try it for half a day or 1 hour, you know what I mean, it's ridiculous. But anyway guys, I'm not gonna keep this too long. Yeah, I just want to say, you know what I mean, I'm just in the forest, and this is where I started my YouTube channel from, you know. I came for a walk up here, and yeah, it was on one of my low side, I would say. And yeah, it just basically opened my eyes, and now I'm giving back to people, you know what I mean, and that was my main focus of starting my YouTube page, just to help others, just give back, you know what I mean. It doesn't matter if you're fat or short or whatever, you're skinny, you know what I mean, just you can watch this and learn from it, and also take something from it, you know what I mean, and say, you know what, yo, I can do it, and that's what it's all about. And I'm not here to shame anyone or bash anyone, you know. I'm not like that, you know what I mean. I'm just not like that, you get me? It's not my cup of tea. So anyway guys, I'm not gonna go down in the wormhole. 2020 coming to an end. Don't know your boy Fabziy. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like it, share up the thing. You don't know, like it up and comment on a bag of things. You see me? You don't know guys, your boy Fabziy. 2021 coming. Stay blessed. Happy New Year. Peace.